Playing Gaming and joined by
Gamer, and this is an unboxing, and this is a mystery one.
We have no idea what's inside. We got Red the scissors here. He's gonna open it right
Scissors.
I guess right there. There we go.
Hope you don't cut the paper again like you did one time.
It's not my fault they put it in there. I know we were gonna cut it.
Is there paper in there actually?
It's a very thick package.
Here, how about you?
Oh. Yeah. Hey.
You ripped
Stop it.
You ripped the bag that was in there.
Hey, there's another bag inside the bag. Alright. Anything else? No? Alright. I already opened this bag as well.
See what we do with this?
I think. It is Super Bomberman R on the PlayStation 4.
Yay.
Which they sent this to us, we did not buy it or anything. Due to, I think we did a video series or something on the Nintendo Switch version. And why won't this open?
Who puts a big one, small one? Maybe.
There's three. There's one inside of this.
Wow. Thanks a lot, whoever sent this to us. Wow.
Konami.
Bag section.
Did you only pull it out?
No, because it's wedged in there.
Okay, we finally got it out. Here, let me hold it.
That. I've almost got it off. There we go.
Okay.
Alright, that was fun.
You see this? We tossed it out.
It's called the Shiny Edition. It has an exclusive Ratchet and Clank, apparently.
Wow.
In the game. Maybe Banjo-Kazooie and Kazooie are in like the Xbox one or something. Who knows? Well, we only have the PS4, so we can't exactly speak for the rest.
Yeah.
So let's open.
Yeah.
And in case you didn't see the case, I'll put it right here. Get the plastic off.
Wow.
I'm gonna take the disc out so it can be shown. There's that.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, the disc wasn't even in.
It fell down.
Alright.
Let's not show the code. Here.
I'm not gonna show the code, I'm just gonna show them the card. Alright, let me see. Alright. So,
Okay.
we have the Super Bomberman R Shiny Edition included in this DLC pack. 8 Shiny Bombermen and the Gold Vic Viper.
Look at that disc there.
I have no idea what the Gold Vic Viper is, but here is the DLC little pass.
We can't show
thing.
you the code.
We're not showing you the code because we kind of need this.
To get it, so.
We need the case back so we can put it back in.
Yeah.
Very short unboxing. I don't know if he showed you the inside of the case, but there's a graphic inside. It's a bunch of Bombermen walking. Can you? Okay, we got a nice view of that. But I think that's it. I mean, there's not really much else to talk about other than we were thankful we got this. We might do a video of it, maybe one.
We already did a video of it.
Maybe showing off Ratchet and Clank, which wasn't in the Switch.
Oh yeah, the golden guy.
And the Shiny Edition, which is 8 things. I don't know. But I think that's it for this unboxing. I'd like to thank everyone for watching.
You must subscribe, like this video, and comment some in the comment section.
No, I don't think we can demand that. We're not terrorists.
Yeah,
but we can thank everyone for watching, and so I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.